to a medical professional that may be kind enough to offer you a free examination. Oh, okay. Farewell, friend. Have a nice life. Alright. There we go. So... Level 0. Operator from just government intelligence. We have a task for you. Urgent task. At the surface. You in a way. Yeah, let's do one more. Why not? Reserve doing daily. Oh, I haven't done this EX stage yet. What chapter is this?
Incoming encounter. Is that right? Moving out.
Let's just try this. We have an ad starting soon, but let's just try this EX stage.
I'm not sure if I can hit hard enough.
Oh. Right, this is one that I had trouble with before.
Poor thing. Rappy told me so. I'll make more efforts. I'll leave quickly, so don't be daring. Give them everything you've got.
Boss. Got him this time.
When it comes to dominating the competition, nothing beats cold hard cash.
Exactly. There's another EX up here I didn't finish. Damn.
Enough business. Time for pleasure.
On my way.
Let's do this EX. Self-parking, eh?
I'll reload right now. I'll make more. I'll leave quickly, so don't be doing it. I'll make more efforts. Whoa,
Oh, we did it.
power.
Sweet. Damn, another EX stage I didn't beat before. Now beaten.
That actually worked? Am I not entirely worthless in battle?
Not at all. You're my gold star right now, hon. Okay. So,
On my way. Moving out.
I'm gonna go back to where we were because we got some enemies to fight with this side quest.
You want me to go there?
Mm-hmm.
Enemies straight ahead! On my way! The sooner we're done here, the sooner I can go shopping!
Exactly. This one can stay on auto. They're usually pretty good at these.
Find cover!
Just a second, Julie.
All right.
capture.
Keep showing us the way.
Screw it. Whatever happens, happens.
I'm getting more and more excited. I just got hit. It felt good.
Find cover! That actually worked? Am I not entirely worthless in battle?
You're the best. You're literally the best. Mori.
Let's get started.
Keep showing us the way.
Enemy sighted!
I'm pretty good too, aren't I? Just a second, Junie.
I'll reload right there.
Damn, they decimated it.
That actually worked? Am I not entirely worthless in battle?
You literally just decimated both of these. 3 of these. Are you sure she's here? I only see the rapture. Huh? There's something under your foot, Rappy. Hmm? Picks up a handbook. It's the commander's certification. Whoa, the commanders really ran away? Why? Who knows? She can't stay on the surface alone for long anyways. Perhaps she's dead by now. Let's search around this area. Not a good idea. We don't have any operators or supplies. Let's head back. Yep, I guess that side quest is clear then. That didn't take
I'll
long.
leave quickly, so stop staring.
Ooh, I can do this now. Yeah, free temple. Hell yeah. Get the dailies are reset now. Claim that. Alright. Do this with my friends. Ooh, requests. I have a friend request. Do I? Hayabusa. Royal Gals. You're pretty good. Sure, why not? Let's see. I get these. I'm not gonna do all the dailies right now. I gotta move on to do other stuff, but I am gonna claim what I can. Oh wow, we're out 300. Nice. Wow, I recovered almost all my gems that I used already. Let's just do a couple of things. Let's do the cash shop real quick. Let's go ahead and get our daily here. Let's go back to the other shop. So here.
Saw teeth, entire buildings. You name it,
I'll buy
I can make it for you. Hope you put it to good use.
Okay, so let's see. Let's do that.
Come again if you need anything.
Okay.
Looking to get something on the up and up?
Are you looking for something? Let me help you.
That's not enough of
Have
this.
fun shopping.
Did this get
Hello.
reset though?
This is the electronic integration system of the central government.
No. Yan. Enwa. Signal. AdMe. Saline. Yeah, I'll just hold off on that. Let's just go back. Okay, let's do, well, first, outpost. Just do all the outpost stuff real quick. Alright, so, mixing board. Dispatch.
Commencing operation. Leave the support to me.
Things in the way. Flame. Alright, wipe out. Okay. Elevator. Delete that. Sends response 15 times. I send 13. Clear simulation room 1 time. I can do that later. Okay. I'm not gonna bother with all that right now. I do want to do... claim all these, so why not? I got some weekly ones too? Okay, claim all those. Okay. More of this, yep. 58, getting there. Almost to 40. Alright, let's do... an archive real quick and get spares. Alright, so challenge. Can I do the new challenge yet? Yes, I can. Can I beat this? I guess we're about to find out. Oh, fuck this fucker. Again. He's got 31. Shit. This might be out of the range.
Time for class to begin.
We'll see. Maybe we'll get lucky.
Have a blast in Wonderland! Last year's fashion. Time to go.
Damn. Look at Alice go. Okay. They got him down to 17 already.
Time for...
You're mine!
Yes. She got paralyzed right in her ult. Wow, that's like the worst time for that to happen. We're getting close though.
Time for class to begin.
They got him. Nice. Good job, girls. We sure did. Okay. Let's enter this. Alright. One more day until we can get hard mode.
Chalk up another victory for the commander!
Alright, let's go to the shop. Oh, they're sold out. I bought all those. Okay. But I can buy one of these. Alright, well... Oh, toward the villain. Yep. Okay. Well, here we go. Oh, something's expiring soon, apparently, my inventory. Oh, these things? Whatever. Anything else? No. Must be something that I've already used. Alright, well... We literally have 1 day left on this. I'm gonna do my freebie and see what I get. See, maybe I'll get something good. Jump scare? No. Okay, let's just do the... Let's just go for it. Yep. Welcome back. We're seeing if we can get that last Mihara body. Ooh, SSR? Maybe? Oh, 2 SSRs in this one. Okay.
Please.
Alright, let's see. Missless, please. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Yes! Yes!
With a bomb strapped to your back.
We got another one!
More thrilling than that.
We got him. We got him, ladies and mental gen. We got him. We got her. I should say, we got her. We did it. Yes. All right. I want to see what this other one is, though. Okay, who's this? This wouldn't be another body of hers, is it? Wow, I got 2 in a row.
With a bomb strapped to your back.
That's ridiculous.
Could be more thrilling than that.
I got 2 in a row on my last 10 pull. Jesus. Oh, man. That's too good. That's got to be clipped. Oh, hell yeah. I cannot believe that. I think that's all I needed, too. Let me just go back to... Let me go back to my Nikkes. Let's go to... Yes! Well, I only need 1, but... I'll limit breaker. There we go.
I feel like my skin is thinner than before. That must mean I'll be able to feel more, right?
Damn. Ooh. Let's put that over... Let's put that over that one. Yeah. Nice. Core enhancement. Okay. Core enhancement. I'll look into that later. I'll ask my buddies about that. Okay. But we still got a 10 pull we can do with this here. We actually have 15, so we could do a couple. So anyways, let's just go ahead and try for that 10. See what we get. Anything? Purple? Jump scare? No. 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 Hey, I'll take that, though. I can't do 10 on this because I don't have enough gems. Okay, but I'll do my... I'm gonna do my half-C. See what I get. Jump scare? No. I'll take it. And I did one of these already, so I'll save that. Yeah, I'll probably go for her next now that I've got all the Miharas I need. I told you guys, at the end, it's always at the end when something's about to go out on a banner. That's when I do my best. I told you guys. I gotta collect this gift from the central government, though. Water. Okay. Jane Miller. Alright. I've got a bunch of this stuff to do, but I can do these another time. Get some extra stuff. Oh, man, I can't believe that. I mean, I can't believe it. It happens literally every time. Okay, so now I actually have a lot of these. Oh, I still don't have enough? Wait, I can buy more. What am I talking about? Let's go to the shop.
Build you everything you need.
Okay.
Just in time, dear client. Smart choice.
There we go, 15. That might be enough. Let's see. Oh, right. Inventory. Yep, it's enough. Let's do it. Alright. Ooh, okay, a Tetra. What do we got here? We got the cat girl. We got Nero. Oh, she's the cat. Right. Oh, I'm going to have to get that Nero figurine. Hell yeah. Nice. Well, I'd say that's a successful stream. We got a lot of stuff here. I keep looking over at that figure, man, because, oh, it's so good. Well, we did it. Chat, we did it. Let's just see here. Real quick. So I've got more. Ah, it's so nice. I've got the 2 of them. At that. Oh, I was really hoping for that. Can I make... can I level up any of these characters? Now I just need some Moderna bodies. That'd be nice. Some more spare bodies for Grandma as well, which I can get by just playing through the game, so. Okay, let's see. Can I level anybody up? I should really start leveling Drake up because I'm going to get more bodies soon, but I don't want to start leveling Drake up until, like, I'm ready to. So I should really get who I have in my current party up. So, Mori, I'm going to get your level up. What's the max you can do? 132? Let's do it.
Don't waste your time and money on me. I won't be of any help to you anyway.
You've been a big help. I don't know what you're talking about. Oh. It's so great. It's so great. Anyways, I peeked the mic. Yeah, that's going to do it for now. I will... Oh, let me just take care of this real quick. Jeez, almost done my dailies already. So, anyways, I'll do the rest of this stuff off screen for my dailies. You guys don't need to see all that stuff. But cool. I can't believe that. I can't believe that. Actually, I can. I don't know why I'm saying I can't. I totally can believe that I would get 2 spare bodies at the end. Oh, fuck. Alright, that's going to be a story to tell. Anyways, guys, I'm going to find someone to raid because we're going to end this off. I have things I need to do before the 8 p.m. stream. Just a reminder for those of you here, I will be back at 8 p.m. Eastern Time. We are going to do some more Digimon Hackers Memory. You don't want to miss that. It's going to be fun, so you should definitely come hang out with us there. Anyways, let me go ahead and find a raid target. Let me start with LTN. Is anybody in LTN live? Why did this go off a couple of times? Did my thing drop a few times? My stream? Oh, shit. I hope it didn't. Just go to... Oh, it did. Oh, that sucks. Oh, well. It happens. It happens. But hey. It'll still be working now. So, anyways, let me go find someone to raid. Is anybody in LTN live other than me? Nope, just me 3 times. Well, that's annoying. It's annoying that happened. Anyways, let's see. In my Who's Live? Was there anybody in my Who's Live other than me? There's Sakura. Who I might think about raiding. Let's see. Let me go back to Twitch here. Back to action. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Luke is doing Elder Scrolls. Yabi's just chatting. 18 plus man stinky? What? Yabi, what the heck's happened to your streams? Elio. Kyle, 1. For an echo. Izzy's doing Zelda. Non-randomized Wind Waker. Starson's doing Claire Obscure. Let's do... I haven't seen Nyabi in a while. We just got a cat, so let's do Nyabi.
What to stream? Because I was gonna stream Paleo.
Oh, her new model is so cute. I'm just gonna mute the stream for a second. Alright. Alright, guys. For those of you who know, y'all know the drill, but in case you don't, that is okay. I am going to tell you. So, anyways, let's do the raid for Nyabi. Here's the raid message. If you are subbed, but if you're not subbed, that is totally fine. You can use this one instead. If you want to join the Discord server, we are doing Toku Tuesday tonight because it's Tuesday, isn't it? You can join us. We're going to watch more Power Rangers SPD, so you can join us for that. You also find my social medias here, my YouTube channels here, and the latest videos on those channels here. And you can also support me by going to advance.gg and save 10% or more on your order. Actually, they're doing a code boost right now, so you can save 20% if you use my code 010 at checkout. So, anyways, guys, once again, read message if you're subbed. If you're not, you can use this one instead. I will be back later at 8 o'clock Eastern time for Digimon Hacker's Memory. And then, yeah, we'll go from there. But as always, take care, come here and rush, use a brush, don't do drugs, stay in school, eat your teeth. See you next time on Cheat. I won't be doing an afternoon stream tomorrow. So the only thing I'll be doing is I'll be doing Monster Hunter on Wednesday night, and then that's it for the rest of the week because Anime North's coming up. So I will see you guys tonight, and I'll see you guys tomorrow night, and that'll be it for now. But anyways, go say hi to Nyabi for me. Have a good rest of your day, and if I see you later, I see you later. Sounds good. All right. Brings it to happen, guys. Bye.
Just think it's interesting. I'm grateful for all of my viewers, and I understand if they are,